Well, this is a little different. We're going after our transformer interaction with the PC boards on the sound system. And I had some input from one of my subscribers regarding transformer testing. And he had found an article on transformers, and I happen to have the exact transformer that was in the article, which is amazing. But I had stopped using this one because I thought it was broken and something was wrong with it. And so I pulled it out. I hooked it up according to the instructions in the video, and I've taken some data, and I thought I'd share that with you guys to see. Now, this is just one transformer. I've got some others I need to test, but this is one I enjoyed because it had whistle, bell, and direction, and they actually worked with the Lionel TMCC soundboards, and I thought that was a good thing, right? So I'm going to turn it off for a second. And you plug into the 0 to 18 volts, red to red, black to black, and it's not 10 amps, so you plug it into the normal part of your meter, ground. Make sure you're on AC. The wavy line is AC, the dotted line is DC. So we're on AC, and it will say so, and some of your displays will say that. So I'm on AC. Now I'm going to power it on, and when I power it on, we get a green light, and we see 5.8 volts, and it's all the way down slow as it can go, 5.8. So what I did was I ramped it up to say, okay, it's 5.8. How high can it go? I'm all the way up. I'm all the way up, and it says 17.2, which is a little low. It was 17.9, okay? But I got a hunch there's something going on with the buttons, and I'll explain that. So for my test, I just set it down to something I thought I could read easy. I put it somewhere below half, and I got it around 10 volts. And I thought I'll stick it at 10 volts. That's about as good as you can get. And then I'll touch the buttons and see what happens, and then record that. So I did a 10 volt test, and I hit the whistle button, and the voltage goes up to 10.5, 10.6. In the article, it says about 5 volts. It's a 5 volt increase. Now I'm going to hit the bell. There's no decrease. No decrease. And there should have been a decrease. Now I'm going to hit the direction, which should take it to 0. In this case, it can only take it to 5.8 because that's as low as it'll go. All right. So that says maybe I stopped using it because my bell button got stuck. That's a possibility. So I'll go up to full speed and see what happens. I'm up at 17.2. I hit the whistle button, no change. I hit the bell button, no change. I hit the direction button, drops to 5.8. So direction seems to be working, but whistle on the high end doesn't do anything. So now let's go all the way down to low. Well, low's pretty low. Let's come back up. Let's say 6 volts. Let's get off the dumb scale, get onto 6, close to 6, and hit the whistle. 6.1, barely jumped. Let's hit the bell. No change. I think the bell button is not home. Let's hit the reverse, 5.8, drops to 5.8. So, okay, let's go to 7. There's 7, went past it. Okay, 7. 7.8. We have a whistle at 7. Hit the bell, nothing. Direction, 5.8. So, pardon me. So what I've concluded is this machine partially works. It has speed control, and it has direction, and it has some whistle, but no bell. And I thought, oh, all right, let's open this baby up and fix it. Those are rivets. And it's an aluminum case in rivets. The whole base is riveted down. Oh boy. So, but if you can't use it, if it's broken, right? maybe you should do that. I'm going to go test some others and log those results and share them with you. But I thought this was an excellent, excellent opportunity to get information about some things, find out what's going on. And as the friend was saying, start at the top of your power circuit and work your way down to where the problem is and see if you find things along the way. And this is exactly where you want to start. Is your transformer functioning the way it should? With these buttons, this one has a problem. And I can tell you, these two buttons have a clear click. This one, no, it's like it's broken, as my daughter would say when she was younger. Okay, I'll get back to you with the other ones and see what we got later.